thinking of something. At least, it's none of your business. Why do you want to know? Don't try to be business.
My darling. My darling. Hi, baby.
But what's the meaning of this? Your brother just walked on us.
Baby. Why? What's it? Is that funny?
Nothing happened, Daddy.
Babe. Not even a hug for mom and dad. Baby, talk to me. Hey.
Darling, things are getting out of hand.
I told you to let's cancel the trip. I told you.
But you know, we spoke with them and they gave us the green light to go. So why this attitude?
But they are still not happy.
So what should we do?
Honey, I'm confused myself. I don't even know what to do. How can my two kids get angry about? Oh, please, I need to go and talk to them. Okay?
Okay, you go ahead and do that. Because I don't understand these kids.
His soul is one.
You know the rules. Coming to class late. It's not acceptable. You know the consequences.
Madam, please. It won't happen again. I will come to your class any from now on, madam, please. I won't.
Well, you know the rules. Rules are rules. And you have to do the punishments.
Madam, please. Please, I have something to do after class.
You have something to do after class. Did I ask you to come to my class late?
No,
Did I?
No.
So get inside and do it.
Okay. Madam, please. Can I have some friends to help you?
Cassie, are you okay? You came to my class with your friends late. Did you?
No, madam.
So you do it by yourself.
Okay.
Do it by yourself.
Okay, please, I'll do it.
And report to me when you are done.
Okay, madam.
Do you understand?
Yes, please.
I'll be waiting. Rubbish. You want to call friends to come and before
His soul is one.
But this food you eat, but they are only eating.
It's tiny.
But you still eat. So you wash your hands first. Wash your hand. Hey, don't wash your left hand. This is your left hand. This is your right hand. Wash this one. It's okay, you're not swimming. It's fine. So, this is Bankun. And this is Okrosti. Okay. So I'm going to.
This is what?
Bankun. Yep. So it's ready. So this is what you're eating today. You eat, I'm going to teach you so you eat it. Take it off. Boom. Hey, why are you taking everything too?
How am I going to eat it?
That's why I'm going to help you out. You can't swallow it. So just take a light one, just light one. Take it. And then you put it here. Then you say, It's nice. So let's go. Put it in the stew. Then put it in. No, you. Swallow. How was it? Let's do one more time. It's your first time. Don't vomit. It's okay. Let's go one more time. Dude, catch up.
It's so nice.
It is. Let's do one more time. Just take one. Little one. Then put it inside. Same process again. It's okay. So, listen. It's okay. Just once. No, you. I said you. No. Okay, you can. Just like this. So the same thing again.
Let's try something
No. Let me feed you. It's fine.
else. I don't want to eat.
You would.
I'm full.
Yeah. Okay, fine. The last time you had tea, jollof, and mango, which one is your favorite so far?
Tea.
Cause that one, you're done.
Exactly.
In the realms of heaven,
This one is my
a
favorite.
love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody. Fills my heart of
Akuntanio ko. Hey, boga one. Na ai, Mr. Vafa bag kuntabia ma. And what the shop to mu?
Me di sika ni nyina egu lolly cash account no so.
Oh, you do it.
Me be spread mu mamu suro. Me be anya afa na me ha me ho de dollar bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me se sika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me lolly cash account ni mu.
That's right.
Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight.
Hey, baby, a lolly cash app nedru no.
They just say what dollars no egu wallet mu. Enso o twa de wa Ghana ha mu a. Ense se besides.
Sa pepepe. Ti se me kwa brochira me sika ni nyina no me load gu me lolly cash account no so. Abrochira baby a me wo bia no. Ade bia me pe bia me timi to. Na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so. Na me de adi me dwuma.
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries na lolly cash app no was no. Sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar, say Canadian dollar, say India for sika e bia app no convert mami. Enti transaction is simple kra.
Lolly cash app no guy pa. Account na edisika no etem sa no. Entetew.
Debi lolly cash account there. Ye ntew say de ebi no mo ye no. Ulo di atumu a bibia ni mu no ne ati bibi kakra. Mi be wie no ma send bi aba mu. Na me di akontan so di akon account mu ama no.
thank you.
Account hold my ink in ko. Enti obia and download the Lolly Cash app no. E wo Google ana Apple Store. Number start and send sika and mama busha for no na for no. E wa mo no ne. Babia Lolly Cash
24/7. Send sika.
Let's begin. Amplify our spell. Focus your energy. Let's synchronize our intentions. We need to enhance our abilities. Ignis potential. Strengthen our magic. Feel the power coursing through you. Let it amplify your spells. This is it. Let's make this count.
His soul is one.
Auntie.
Are those the brats?
Yeah, sorry. There's something bothering me. Come on, it's not anything too much. You know, it's been 2 months now since Grandma came out. She's always at home. I was thinking it's about time she starts school. And it wouldn't be bad if you joined my school.
Okay, I'll put medicine for you so that she can start school. Somebody's happy, right?
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Ma. Let me leave you young folks to your own shenanigans. I don't want to be a spoiled sport.
Let's go.
Hey, just leave it.
It's okay. Did you want me to say?
Should have informed me. I should have told her myself.
Let's say I surprised you. Are you not happy? It's okay. Come on. Find your last one. What were you showing me? That's true. So it doesn't matter. And I figured it out. From what I know.
It's now.
What do you want to say?
Wait, let's read the comments.
Oh, goddess of the night, hear our cry and grant us strength to overcome all adversaries.
By the power of the moon and stars, empower our spell. We invoke your presence, Ancient One. Guide us on our quest for dominance over the warlocks.
Channel your essence through this vessel.
Infuse us with power and might. Guide our spell with your divine presence. Together we are unstoppable. Give us strength to prevail. Lika Fije la Siga.
Lika Fije la Siga. Lika Fije la Siga.
So the question was talking about how the youth can contribute to development, and one of the aspects is practicing positive attitude towards work. Okay, now people youth, there are some things that we have to portray, and that will help develop our country and even ourselves. Let's take positive attitude towards work. Now, what are some of the things you can talk about? Punctuality, coming to work on time, you have to stay out of work, you go to stay in bed and other things. Now, when we put out this positive attitude, they contribute to development in the sense that productivity will increase. And when productivity increases, that means the country is going towards getting a lot of revenue. And we are going to make money. So this is one of the aspects that we have to look at. Okay. I think I know why Madam Julie is focusing on it. She says she's having a crush on me. She proposed to me, but I turned down her proposal. I told her I'm already in a relationship with you and I can't betray you for her.
A crush on you?
Yes, of course.
Oh. This explains a lot. And it's not making sense to me.
Yeah, but what we have to do is to come out with something, at least something to get her out of our way so that we can continue enjoying our lives.
You're right.
Looking at things, it's either she focuses on me or do her best to get you out of our way so that she can get close to me. And that is something that I will not allow to happen, baby girl. So we have to think of something.
We can't let her destroy our peace of mind just like that. No. let's figure out some option, please. Like, let's figure out some option that's going to take her away from our lives. We can't let this continue. We can't.
So,
just bring up something. Just something.
I think that
What is it?
wait and see me protect you.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody.
It seems a lot
that
has been
fills
happening
my heart,
lately.
oh God.
Yeah, it's hard to explain, Jemfi. I was attacked by magical powers.
Magical powers.
Yeah.
That's familiar somehow.
Jemfi, do you know anything about magical powers?
I think so. There's been strange things happening lately. And I don't believe it, but it seems magic is real.
No. It sounds like some superstitious thing. I don't believe it. What do you mean?
Stana, I've seen things. Things that cannot happen unless magic is involved. It seems there is a whole hidden world out there. Now, did you have a look at the person? Did you see their face?
No, I didn't get to do that. Her face was all covered and everything happened really fast.
Damn it! Irama, any info about her family yet?
Nothing yet. Nothing.
I think her family might be desperately looking for her now.
Yeah, just trying everything we can. Probably tomorrow we'll see what to do.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Did you say something about tomorrow?
Yeah. Irama will be starting school tomorrow.
Oh, finally. Your best buddy is starting school soon.
Stop teasing me, I'm serious. I just want it to be fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Peace all is one.
Okay, friends.
Now you listen and you stay good. You and your friends shouldn't think you have defeated me. You can't, my dear. And trust me, I don't want any of you to get hurt.
Let go of me! Jaden, what are you talking about?
The accident, it wasn't me. I just admitted it to get back at you.
What are you saying? What do you mean by the accident? It wasn't me.
The last time, I saw someone tampering with the brakes. Listen dear, I think someone is trying to hurt Stana. And we need to stop fighting and find out who this person is.
Wait, you're serious?
100% deadly serious. Listen, Stana is in danger. And you have to stop wasting time fighting each other.
But who would want to hurt Stana?
I don't know. But we have to figure it out before it will be too late. Please.
Okay. I'll help.
Okay. Good. But for now, let's maintain as a secret.
Sure. Secret.
Sorry for this.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love. It's where I want to go. You are my dream come true. So I'll never leave your side. Oh, and just love, surrender me like a flame. Strong and pure.
Okay, my what is any? 3 cities, 5 cities.
And this one is how much?
5.
Okay.
Capital.
Yeah. You want the potato?
Yeah.
And then chocolate. I want chocolate. Chocolate in my so 3 each. 1 each, right? So you only get 2. You get 2.
You only get 2.
You don't need it. I want chocolate. Wow. Hey, I miss my childhood. I want chocolate.
You always want chocolate. Mommy's girl. Mommy's girl. Mommy's girl.
Princess treatment is a must.
Princess.
Our money is finished. Yeah, all right. It's fine, mommy.
Guys, yeah. Who believe what JD told me? He says someone is trying to kill Stana.
What? That's serious.
Who would want to hurt Stana? That's terrible.
Apparently, he saw someone messing with Stana's brakes before the accident, and he thinks it's deliberate.
That's something serious. Then we need to find who wants to do that. We need to.
Jenfi!
What's up with him? Did he hear us? It seems he's not in a good mood today.
Maybe. Let's give him some space.
Agreed. But we have better things to think about.
Yeah,
like,
we
who
need
would
to
want to hurt Stana?
We need to find the person. Let's focus on that.
Absolutely, we need to get to the bottom of this because, I mean, that threat is who?
No, Jaden.
Calm down.
He's the one that told me. He can't possibly be the same person.
Does it?
Well, it doesn't. We actually don't know what's in people's mind. Oh my God. You got the